In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily zoom in and out on your iPhone camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Camera app, and now I'm gonna show you several ways how we can easily zoom in or zoom out. The first and the easiest way to zoom in is just select one of your lenses here. On an iPhone Pro versions, we got 3 lenses and we can easily switch between them by tapping at that buttons. We can immediately switch to wide angle lens by tapping at 0.5x. If we tap at 1, we'll be also switch between 24mm, 28mm and 35mm, which equals 1.5x. And also by tapping right here we can switch to 2x and 3x. However, if you would like to zoom in even more, you can easily do so. On an iPhone 15 Pro we can zoom up to 15x. All we have to do is just make that move, so just pinch your screen in that way to zoom in up to 15 times. In the same way, we can zoom out up to 0.5x. However, there is one more way how we can zoom in and zoom out with just one hand. Let's say you are not able to use your second hand to pinch. In this way, all you have to do is just swipe up, just make that move, just start moving from that buttons and move your finger up. That will show you that tool. And by dragging our finger, we can easily zoom in and zoom out more accurate. Just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.